When the water starts to boil, you need to wait 12 minutes. Both me and my daughter love grapefruit. It's not too sweet and it's see how juicy they are? Today we're going to use romaine salad. Please chop them as finely as you can. Chop your tomato in a square size. Thinly slice your olives. Cut your egg in 4 pieces. In your favorite salad bowl, scatter some lettuce first and then put some tomatoes on. Put some grapefruits. I like to put the eggs on the edges of the plate. Top the olives. Scatter nuts to your likings. And top some raisins. We're going to drizzle 3 rounds of balsamic vinegar and we're going to drizzle 3 rounds of olive oil. Balsamic vinegar and olive oil are my favorite combination of salad dressing. I like to top my ricotta cheese at the very last minute because I want them to be fluffy and untouched. This salad is tangy, flavorful, nutritious, and full of surprises.